Hey guys, welcome back. We got a package. This story about this package. I use Whatnot, and basically I ordered some things. I did a bid, and it was really fun. I had fun doing the Whatnot bidding, but apparently there were taxes on this, which inflated the price a bunch. So I wanted to spend $80 only, and I ended up spending 140 because of stupid taxes. And that sucked, and we had to pay another fee, and it's like, kept on costing money, you know what I mean? And it just sucked bad, bro. That's why I don't use Whatnot anymore. I liked Whatnot. Whatnot was very fun to use. But, bro, this shit was so expensive. Like, the deals were good, but I'm just saying, I don't think I'm ever going to use it again, because it's just not worth it. It just costs too much for all the border fees and things like that. So if you're ordering on Whatnot, make sure it's like the same country. So there isn't, I don't want to like go too deep because I'm worried. I don't have a proper knife. I only have this, so I don't want to screw it up. Okay, let's see what's in here. Rip this stupid thing off. And this box is very small. Yeah, there's all the stuff I ordered. Ah, look, this is okay. Yeah, never mind. I was thinking like, oh, why'd they only not put that in the case? But that's fine. I want to be careful with this. She's like, what is this? Man, okay. Props to them. Oh, shit. Might have screwed it up, the car. Yikes. Wish I pulled it out a bit gentler, but it's fine, But that's my problem when I open things. I'm never gentle with them. Like, I always try to be, and I regret it later. I'm always too rough. Anyways, oh, okay, that's...
Wow.
Oh, shit. Okay. That's really nice. I really like this. This is really beautiful. Wow. Nice old T-Hunt truck. Shit. I wish I didn't, like, drag it on the sides and I ruined it, maybe. That's really beautiful. I do like that. It's very, very nice. Just don't touch it, So I'll just keep it on the tier because everything else... That's really nice. Ooh. This is really beautiful, too. This. Buick Riviera. That pink. Very, very pretty. Love that. I love this truck a lot, though. That is really... I love these wheels. These are so nice. Oh, yeah. This one was pretty sick. This is the Fire Depot truck. The super treasure hunt of this is, like, really nice. Would be nice if I got that. Still a really sick piece into the collection. All the new models on the back. It's a little bit of a blister damage. So I do love this truck so freaking much. Okay, this is what I'm most happy about. Look, all black DeLorean, but the back opens. Oh wow, look at that, opening rear hatch. So this part opens up like that. So I do want to open this because it's already damaged. So I might open this one, actually. I really do like... I would open it now. Should I? Okay. I see then. So the back does open, so that's the reason why I did buy it. Now, this one.
Oh.
This is the Skyline.
Treasure hunt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why they got packaged. So
It's a very weird... It's like every day in this community I'm seeing a real... Oh, I don't like the tape. I'm not a big fan, but that's fine. That's fine. I respect them I respect them caring for my package. I understand that. That's just how it is. Oh, still, I do love this. I'm a little bit mad about how I pulled it out. Because when I was pulling it out, they're all like compact like this. And I was like, and they were like dragging against the box, and I felt like a lot of tension between them. This, if you guys can guess, I'll show you what this is. I don't want to pull too fast. Okay, you know what? The tape isn't bad. I actually like. I don't mind the tape that much now because it just depends on the tape that you're using. Because this tape isn't too bad. It doesn't really leave too much residue. Ooh, wow, that is really nice. Oh man, full tampos? Oh dude, that is sick. Man, what a sick car, man. I don't want to find out what happens if I pull it too fast. I'm not trying to find that out, okay? So I'm gonna pull gently. Some of y'all are probably watching the video like, oh, you gotta pull it fast, but I'm not taking any risks, man. I gotta be extra careful in what I do. I don't really care. It's a pretty sick car, honestly. We got one more. We got the Viper. I forgot about the Viper. This was a while ago. This is January. I almost forgot about this package. I forget about a lot of things, I'm gonna be for real. Like, a lot. Yeah, the amount of mistakes I've done about opening packages is wild. Oh, I could have taken out the Skyline first and after. Oh, okay. The Skyline. I don't know how much these go for. I just bought it because, oh, really sick car. I do like it. I like it a lot, actually. Pretty sick. Honestly, I feel like this one should have been in the packaging. I do like this one more. It's a very sick car. I love those white walls. So let's just, oh, I am in love with that car, honestly. Just put this back in here. I do like this one, too. Okay, this is very odd. I'm like, every day I order something, I'm always finding new Hot Wheels packaging. Because I've never seen a protector like this, which... It's weird. I thought it was backwards when I first had it. Anyways. The big boy. The Viper. Oh, man. That is real nice. Thank you for...
What do you say?
Thank you so much for first
Thank you
purchasing.
so much
Kurt's.
for first
Kurt,
purchase.
Skirt and Stewie.
Oh.
Look, when I ordered from these people, I swear to God, they were the sweetest little couple. It was so cute. I love it. It was so cute. I was on their thing and I was just asking for Vipers, and this guy was like, "Oh, honey, do we got any Vipers?" And he's like, "Yes, honey, we got some Vipers." And I was like, "Aw." It's like her husband and like her wife were just selling Hot Wheels together. That was so sweet, man. I don't care if this thing was freaking like $300. They were so sweet, man. I feel like they deserve every penny. I accidentally overbidded for this car, and I am glad that I overbidded. Because I was not used to bidding. I actually clicked it like one extra time, so it was $7, but I actually paid $10. Which I don't care, because they're so sweet, you know? They're so nice, they're pretty funny. At least I got this Viper now. Really sick. A little card warping. I think there was a video I watched, I think it was by the Mustang Hunter, where if you get like iron and some paper, you can fix this. Yeah. Here's the cars we got. So boom, Viper. Got that. Okay guys, here is everything that I got. Pretty sick. Probably my least favorite out of all of these. Actually, I don't have a least favorite. I like all of them. But anyways, my favorite car probably got to be this right here. Really beautiful. I love this a lot. I don't know why. I just do. I like it. It's just such a simple casting. These big old white walls. This nice black finish. A lot of dust on it, but I don't care. What a freaking like sexy vehicle. Just really nice. I love this old style of treasure hunts, man. It's so nice. But yeah, anyways, guys, everything I got, I will be opening this. Yeah, see y'all. Have a nice one. Also, guys, if you're watching this on TikTok, just want to say at YouTube, we're trying to focus more on that. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys. Have a nice one.